Cardo scored. Oh, he lost his paddle. Give that back to Cardo. There you go. Okay, hit it. Here it comes. Hit it. Go on the side, Cardo. There you go. Again, you ready? Hit it.
Which one you want to do?
Uh-oh. Hit it, hit it, hit it. No, Cardo, get down. Hit it. You lost it again? There you go. Hit it, hurry. Uh-oh, Cardo won. He hit it straight in.